Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a quick, healthy and protein-packed breakfast, Suji Egg Vegetable Nashta, a perfect morning bite for busy days and even better with a hot cup of tea. Start with 1 cup of Suji or Semolina. Pour it into a blender. Add half cup of water and blend until smooth. Did you know Suji is also known as rava in South India? It's used in both savory and sweet dishes. Now add another 1 cup of water to the batter and mix well. Always blend the Suji batter smooth to avoid lumps. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes to absorb the water better. Time to flavor it up. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of carrot, a handful of fresh coriander leaves, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and keep it aside. You can add capsicum or even spinach to make it more colorful and nutritious. Now let's prepare the egg mixture. Take 2 eggs. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder and beat well. Suji is high in iron and helps boost energy levels. Eggs provide essential protein for muscle repair and growth. Green chilies and corianders are rich in antioxidants and flavor. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Pour in the Suji batter and spread evenly. Cook it for 2 minutes on low heat. Now pour the egg mixture on top, let it set, then flip carefully. Cook on low heat so the Suji layers get cooked without burning. Don't rush the flip, wait until the egg layer is almost set. Again pour the egg mixture on top. Cook both sides well until golden and firm. Now gently roll it up. Do you like this kind of savory roll for breakfast? Or are you a sweet breakfast lover? Let us know in the comments. And that's it. Your Suji egg vegetable roll is ready to serve. This dish combines the goodness of Suji and egg. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods. Stay tuned for more fun and fast free recipes. Until next time, keep your pan hot and your mornings happy.